Hello students, in this session we will understand the engineering drawings. By the end of this unit, you will be able to know about the basics of engineering drawing, know about orthographic projection views, know about concept of quadrants, know about engineering standards, know about tools required for engineering drawing. Basic knowledge of engineering drawings. Engineering drawing. It is a graphical language utilized by specialists and other specialized faculty related to this profession. The reason for engineering drawing is to pass on graphically the thoughts and fundamental data for the development or examination of structures, machines or frameworks. These are point by point technical drawing drawn precisely and accurately. These are line drawings drawn with the guide of numerical instruments by recording and transmitting the specialized data. Orthographic projection. In basic engineering drawing, orthographic projection method is used. Here, in iron and steel industry, to communicate technical information through engineering drawing, we generally use orthographic views (OV) instead of pictorial views. Orthographic drawing are the establishment of technical and machine drawings. These drawings generate complete data for development and repair and exhibit the object in its actual extent, that is, its size and shape. The orthographic projection demonstrates the object as it views from top, right, left, base or back, as per the projections in first angle or third angle projection. Third angle orthographic projection is a standard projection for every single mechanical drawing. Orthographic views of a cylinder are: to understand how to draw these views, first we need to understand the planes of projection and concept of quadrants. Concept of quadrants. See the projection of cylinder in all four quadrants as shown. If we imagine the projection in first quadrant, then it is called first angle projection. If we imagine the projection in second quadrant, then it is called second angle projection. If we imagine the projection in third quadrant, it is called third angle projection. If we imagine the projection in fourth quadrant, then it is called fourth angle projection. For basic engineering drawings, two guidelines are regularly used in orthographic projection. The first angle projection, also known as European projection, and the third angle projection is also known as American projection. Perspectives are indistinguishable in both techniques for projection, with the exception of their relative position on the drawing paper. Engineering drawing standards. Following standards help in easy understanding of drawing across the country. Bureau of Indian Standard (BIS) provides the standard for technical drawings. Example: IS 919 Part 2 ISO System for Limits and Fits. IS 10714 General Principles of Presentation of Technical Drawings. IS 10718 Method of Dimensioning and Tolerant Cones on Drawing. Drawing sheet sizes. ISO Most prescribed paper size for specialized drawings are known as A formats. Different arrangements similar to the B series are of lesser significance. In the A format arrangement, the biggest size is A0. The extent of an A1 paper is a large portion of A0, while A2 is a small portion of the span of A1, etc. Small sized A design papers, that is A5, A6 and so on, are once in a while used for specialized drawings. In technical drawings, various lines and line styles are used to provide the desired information. These lines differ in thickness and style. Visible. These are sequential lines used to represent edges which can be seen directly from a specific angle. Hidden. These lines represent edges that cannot be seen directly. Center. These lines are used to represent the axis of a circular features. These lines are long and short dashed. Cutting plane. These lines are used to define sections for section view. These are thin and medium dashed lines or thick, long and double short dashed lines. Phantom. These lines indicate the assembly's features or components, which is not the assembly's described part. These lines are alternatively long and double short dashed, thin in shape. Dimensioning. Through the use of dimensions, the appropriate size or features are expressed. Distance might be short with either of two accepted forms of dimensions, ordinate and linear. The session ends here. Before we proceed to the next topic, let us do a quick recap. After studying this unit, the participants will be able to understand about basics of engineering drawing, explain about orthographic projection views, explain the concept of quadrants, identify various drawing sheets,